Good morning, Justin here from the Avant-Garde Collection. Wanted to do a few videos for you guys this morning on our 1990 Saab 900 Turbo SPG. I'm gonna get it outside. We have breaks in the weather. I'm gonna show off the cladding a little bit. I'm also gonna do a cold start right now. Those of you who know these cars know that the key position is a little odd between the seats. Makes it a little cool too. But right down here, you'll find the key. Trick to getting the key out, make sure you're in reverse, then the key comes out. Okay. There's a start for you. This car starts easily at any temperature that we've had it. No smoke, does not drip anything out of the car, just runs like a top. We're very impressed with it from the start. These are certainly cool cars and the looks are very unique. But yeah, I'm gonna drive it right now. I'm gonna take it outdoors. I'm gonna take more pictures. I'm gonna do some videos. I'm gonna show you guys that this is indeed not painted. It looks like maybe they used some of the creamers that might turn, dull plastic back to life, and maybe they work better than they used to. I don't know, but I will go drive it, get it out in the natural light, and take some more pictures and videos. So look forward to seeing you guys in a few. Hi guys, Justin again from the Avant-Garde Collection with our Saab 900 SPG. I have it outside today. I wanted to go around the car with you guys, show you its pluses and a few of its minuses too. I definitely wouldn't say the paint is a minus. I think the paint's in good shape. The minuses are easier to do, and I'll try to find this dent. There's a little ding right there, but it's not here. You can probably see it right there. It could probably be pressed out by a guy with a, it's like a little dimple. You can kind of see it. The problems with this car you'll see is it's missing this wheel arch right here. It's missing one on the other side too, the front. I didn't get those. I don't know where they are. I'm sure you can find those. Maybe it's easy, maybe it's hard. I don't know. I wanted to show you that these bumpers are not painted. They're just extra black. I scratched a little bit right there. Maybe they put like a real good cream on them or something. I'm not sure. A little bit of the rubber is missing from this window seal right there. One of the taillights has a small crack. Yeah, it's this one right there has a small crack in it. Maybe there's a little crack in that one too. Great driving car. I just drove it a little bit on the way here. I'm still impressed with it. It's warm today. I had the air conditioning on. It does definitely blow cold and feels great. This car lived in a warm climate with its last owner, and I think that's why you'll see the dark tint. But the good side of that is he also made sure the air was blowing ice cubes. So that you've got as well. But all in all, a great car. Honest car for sure. And yeah, I'm gonna go enjoy it a little more. Again, seats in good shape. And yeah, there's a little bit left a guy could do if he's a perfectionist, and they're easy things, so it might be fun. I saw a couple of suggestions in the comments, and yeah, the next guy can certainly do those things and have something to do. But a great start to a great car, one that will always be tremendously valuable in the collectible world. Thanks, guys, and good luck. This is a no reserve auction, and it will be ending in just a few hours. Thanks again.